Welcome to another tips and tricks video from Simply Mac. I'm just going to do kind of a brief introduction of a nice alternative program to Microsoft Word. It's called Pages. It is made by Apple, so it kind of gives you the Apple feel for what Word could be. So we got the program open here. You see in Pages. The nice thing is it's integrated with iCloud. So the nice thing with that is if you're working on a document, it will automatically save it in the cloud, and you can open it from any other device that has Pages. And that's iCloud enabled, so that's a nice feature. Let's go ahead and click on New Document. The nice thing is you see there's a whole bunch of templates here. You can make anything from letters to envelopes, forms, resumes, to also brochures, flyers, posters. So it's also a publisher, kind of like what Microsoft Publisher is, but a little bit more basic, and probably a little bit more suited for your basic home use and Publisher. But what we're going to show you today is we're going to go into reports and show you kind of a document that looks like with text. And you see we just kind of have a basic document here, and it's not a real overwhelming interface. You got your different types of fonts right here, you know, bold, italic, italicize, stuff like that right here. Font size, font colors. Again, there's the bold, italics, and underline right there. Your alignment, spacings, stuff like that. All your other settings will be inside the inspector, and you go in there for any kind of changes you need to do, that whether it's documents or hyperlinking, anything like that. So it's not that intimidating of an interface. Very straightforward. It also has some really cool advanced tools that you might like to do, but you've never been able to do on Word. So I'm just going to move this over here. I already have a browser open with images of Superman. So if this was a paper and you wanted to add images to it with Word, it's not always the easiest. With this, all you do is click on this image right here within the browser. I'm just going to drag it directly to my Pages window and drop it. And you see it just basically automatically imports it for me. I don't have to go through any saving or any extra steps, just drag and drop. You see the text auto wraps for me, so I don't have to do anything like that. You see floating's already turned on and my wrapping features are already turned on. The cool thing also is with all this extra white space, you can get rid of it very easily. Just go into Format and do what's called Instant Alpha. You see I can get rid of all this extra white space here. Very straightforward. And then I can also do things like if you want to do a watermark, if this was like an invoice or anything like that, you can turn on a reflection. You can drop the opacity. And then we'll also turn off wrapping. So now you have this nice little watermark right there. Very nice, very straightforward, very simple, very easy to use. So that's a really cool trick with Pages. But one of the better things also that since it's made by Apple, it integrates into all their software. So if you want to add music from iTunes, movies from iMovie, or photos from iPhoto, you don't have to open all those programs. Just click Media and you have them all right here. So multitasking to the easiest level. It also integrates with the mail program, so if you want to email this document once you're done with it, you just click Share, and you see there's Send Via Mail, and there's Pages, Word, and PDF. So you see it's a very compatible program. It will open Word files and send Word files, and it will send as a PDF, as well as these features right here like EPUB or RTF. But if you just want to email it, I'll send it as a Word file. I'll click Word. My mail will automatically open for me, automatically attach it, and it's ready to send. So one of the best things about Pages is it's very cheap. If you go onto the App Store, this is the only place you can get it. It's $19.99. You download straight to your computer, and it works great. It's an awesome program. You can also get it for your iPad and iPhone and iPod Touch for $10 on their app stores. And then they're all cross-compatible and they work great. So this is just kind of a basic intro to Pages. If you've never seen it or used it, or if you're looking for an alternative to Word, give it a shot. It's cheap, it's easy, and later on we'll probably dig into some more of the advanced tools and some more of the other stuff you can do with Pages. So give it a shot.